Ahoy there, mateys! You best keep a weather eye open for invaders, cause even though the golden age of pirates were long ago, there be tales today of a sailing ship flying the Jolly Roger here in Nassau Harbour.
Nassau Paradise Island is where you'll find Blackbeard's Revenge, a ship and an adventure like no other. So strike your colors and come aboard this 500-ton Spanish galleon to be trained in the ways of the buccaneers. And when some of the crew stage a mutiny,
we're not afraid of you, Captain!
you'll be there to join up with the most carousinous characters that ever took to the high seas. Take your oath before the mast.
Officially pirates!
As you sail Nassau Harbour and Paradise Island, prepare to plunder and shiver your timbers on the Blackbeard's Revenge pirate ship, only in Nassau Paradise Island.